Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to learn a beautiful prose part of Unit 4 from NCERT Marigold textbook. So, dear students, this lesson is very interesting and something a little bit imaginary. It will be happens. Like the small girl, the girl name is Alice. Got it? So in Wonderland. We'll start the lesson. So the Alice, who is the small child who is sitting under the tree. So we are learning about her. So what happens? The lesson name is just explained to you, the Alice in Wonderland. What happens? One day Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late. Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried the watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed White Rabbit. What happens? One day she was sitting under the tree and she was listening her sister's stories. Suddenly a cat came, rabbit came, who is something very different than other ordinary rabbit. It is some different. It wearing some coat, waistcoat, and taking some watches and different and is even the most surprising thing that it is talking. When the Alice saw a different peculiar curiosity created to know about the rabbit. Then after he started to follow to the rabbit. Then what happens? The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Then what happened? When he saw the Alice is following to the rabbit started to run. When the rabbit started to run, the Alice also followed to it. And the rabbit fell into the rabbit hole. That was more than deeper and deeper. So he went to more down and down. The same way the Alice also followed to the rabbit. Alice said loud, "Where am I? Oh my God! How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth," she wondered. So after falling on the hole, he went down and down. Then after he said, "Oh my God, where I am? Where I have reached? I hope I can the center of the earth." She got surprised and wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" By the making some side of the other side, just so it makes some different to the Alice. She got more surprising. That she looking around. He looked around different ways. She was wondering will the slip through the water. Stumped Alice landed on the pile of the dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw a white rabbit again. So after some time, what happens when he reached a different when he saw the mean of the time he disappeared. But after some time again the rabbit appeared. Then what happens? So when they suddenly saw the white rabbit, it disappeared, saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it is getting!" Again saying, "You are getting late, so come fast, quickly." Alice stood off and saw a small door about 15 inches high. About 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. But he went to the rabbit went to the hole, but the hole was very small, which is 15 inches. Alice cannot go. So what happens then? She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She saw a glass table where a golden key is there. She tried to little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longed to the among those beds to be bright flowers and those cool fountains. Then after he opened the gold key and just locked it. The door was opened. Then after he saw the different type of flowers, different kinds of different colors of flowers, and there saw a very fantastic waterfall and different fountains, water fountains, where in the garden. But she couldn't even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become a smaller," she exclaimed loudly. "But he's looking from the only windows." She couldn't go. But she's thinking that how I could small that I will go to the garden and I can enjoy it. She's thinking herself. So the lesson is over, and she's looking only from the windows and she enjoyed from there. And she wishing to her became to be a small. So dear students, I hope you understand this lesson properly, and I will send the hard words and question and answer in the PDF or PPT that you can write and read. So till then, keep watching. Bye bye.